It's that time of the year again, and SSG will be exhibiting live at LSETF Pop Market 2.0. So come with your friends and families. If you're seeing this video, tag your friend, tag your colleague, and tell them to come live 6 to 8 of August. That's Thursdays this week, all through Saturday. 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. daily. We will be expecting to see you come shop for your favorite signature snacks at a very discounted price. And guess what, guys? If you're an Amper vendor, this is your best time to come lock down your December snacks Amper. Yes. I mean, you can pay down now and you have your price on lock. See you.